Hello, and for experience one, I ended up choosing how America can leave fossil fuels behind. And I'm going to be describing a section of this image in front of me. And this image in front of me is actually called a Sankey flow diagram, and it represents all the energy that flows throughout the US. This beginning part of the diagram actually shows all of our energy sources from our natural gas, coal, our renewable energy, and we have oil over here. With all three of these, first, second, and the last one, are our fossil fuels. And as we move through the flow of the diagram, we can see how these fossil fuels are actually a big chunk of how our energy sources are being converted into. Carbon dioxide is being produced from the burning of fossil fuels, which is also the main culprit behind climate change. And as we see, it also produces a lot of electricity. We use the fossil fuels for electricity. We use it for our transportation. But the way to start decarbonizing is to eliminate the need for these fossil fuels, oil, natural gas, coal production, because we have the technology to eliminate the needs for those things. We have batteries, we have heat pumps, we have electrical vehicles. And seeing how they're a big portion of our energy sources, having them eliminated and having all of these for commercial, residential, transportation, and industrial, having them routed to electricity with the prime energy source being only renewable energy would eliminate a huge portion of emission coming from the United States, which would be a big step forward in limiting global warming. And then this end part right here is actually how all that energy, once it's converted, how it goes into our economy and how it's being used throughout the US. So once again, we have this first two columns right here are our main energy sources. We have the third one right here is what it's being converted to and how it's being used throughout the US.